I was challenged by one of the people that support Nkere that I should bring forth videos and pictures of COS in Trump inauguration, and that I should not hesitate to do that. So I am making this video to respond to such comments, and most of you that are pretending that you did not see what COS, shared on her X. Maybe you are not following her, or maybe you don't understand what the video and pictures is all about. I have seen some people claiming that she went in a different location where they're celebrating about the inauguration of Donald Trump, claiming that she was not in the vicinity, that everything that she said is fake, and they actually posted it and they said busted. So that is the reason why I have to make this video. Okay, I don't want to talk about it before, but as long as I can see that most of you are eager to understand or to see her role or her presence in the Trump's inauguration, so this video, I believe, is gonna put that into rest. But before then, please like the video. Okay, click on the like button, because I know that, and I've noticed that most of you just watch video and you don't click on the like button. So I assume that you are making it as a mistake. But please, this is me begging and pleading on you to do that at this moment before we go further. Now let's continue. Some of them don't understand that COS post is not to please you or to make you to believe anything. There are two different things here. One is pushing everything, making everything possible for him to be relevant. Whereas COS is not, looking for that. She's actually working hard to get things done. That is two different things that you need to understand. But people who are help bend with Nkere's shenanigans don't understand that it's not about gara gara or Garayane Sinachi. So let me share this video here. Okay, you're gonna see this video and tell me what you think about it. Does it look like somebody who is watching and following everything on screen, like on video? Most of them have actually validated the fact that they are not in any advanced country. Maybe I assume that they are somewhere in Africa, because for you to say this simply means that you don't understand that in a big occasion like this, you must have TV, live TV that will show you other parts of the environment. Let me not even say Africa, because I have seen some event in Nigeria, that they do the same thing. There are some churches that you go in Nigeria today, the screen that is outside of the church will be reflecting and showing you what is going on inside. In case if some people have short-sightedness, maybe you did not come with your eyeglass, it will be easy for you to see and follow up on the screen in the same location, in the same building, in the same venue. But they are trying to, because Sana Brown and his men always look for anything to deceive people, and that's why I'm making this video, for you to watch this video with me, and let's go there and tell me if this is real or fake.
Governed in holiness and justice, to render justice with integrity. Give our leader wisdom, for he is your servant, aware of his own weakness and brevity of life. If wisdom which comes not from you be not with him, he shall be held in no esteem. Send wisdom from heavens, that she may be with him, that he may know your designs. Please, God, bless America. Please, mend her every flaw. You are the God in whom we trust, who lives and reigns forever and ever. Amen.
Amen.
So now that you are watching the whole thing, the people that gathered here in this arena, do they look like people who gathered to watch the event on TV? When these people lie, they don't remember that people also have access to the video, to the pictures, and what they're talking about. I just decided to zoom the video so that you can see for yourself that you have stage 1, 2, 3. Then you now see people that is on the ground floor. These are people gathered in the same venue, in that arena where the whole thing happened. The big screen is for you to see something that, if you are in level 1 or level 2, level 3, as case may be, maybe you will see it somehow quite far from the podium itself. You can see it. The camera will help you to draw it closer. But what did they do? They now twisted it and said that this thing is another arena, another event somewhere in a different building. These are people who have hell bent in making sure that they criticize everything that is not in their favor. What they know, as you can see, is to criticize and to blackmail COS. Everything that has to do with her or any good thing that she have done, they want to play down on it and to tell Biafrans that the COS is not, is this, is that, is that. Look at the post. This lady who have criticized PM in the past is one of them, because 90 or 100% of them that are running around Nkere have actually done the same thing. They have fought PM in the past. This lady you are seeing here fought PM in the past. How? She made a comment that shows insubordination, that shows disrespect to PM. I have shared that post here before. I'm not going to bring it down because it's even in the community here. You can go to my community here, you will see it. I posted it here. She's not the only one. This is Royce. Royce said this. All this thing you are seeing now is just because they don't want US, to be relevant. They think that Biafrans see anything through them. They don't know that Biafrans have eyes and ear to hear and to see. We all are not, like them. We are not Alamajiri, that we must listen to one person before you can reason. Our brain is with us. Our mind is with us. Why I'm sharing this? Because they are not the only one. No. Many of them have come out. Oh, CS is somewhere. Look at it. Like the units you are talking about that I just showed to you, that you are seeing on your screen. I just showed to you here. That lady. If you pay attention to her post, you will see that her own criticism is that COS did not was not invited because the fake edited Oruwale that Ogenkere was presenting, or what he presented, in the name of official invitation, is a lie. Before the date of this inauguration, CS have already shared her own, and the video, everything is there. But they will turn blind eye just to look for something to cajole. But one thing I love about the truth is that even if you pretend that you don't want to say anything about the real thing, the truth will always hurt you. How? By keep on ringing in your mind. The truth will keep on ringing in your mind, whether you like it or not. That's why they said you can't suppress it. Even though you are pretending, oh, it's a lie, it's a lie. You can only say that with your lips, with your tongue. But your innermost being, your spirit will always remind you that look at what is happening. But you come out and play a different thing. That's what devil is known for. Anyway, here is another video that CS made before going in for that inauguration. They made this post outside.
All right. All right. Thank you so much, dear friends. We are right here in Washington, D.C. at the inauguration of our 47th President, Donald Trump. Are you happy? We are representing the United States of Biafra right here in Washington, D.C. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you. Biafra is on the table. God bless you. God bless the United States of Biafra. Thank you so much.
So if you are one of those who think that she's lying, she's pretending, she's too pretentious, she's agent of Nigerian government, she's out to say the struggle, she's lying about everything she does, the picture is fake, the video is fake, blah, 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 blah. You are saying that probably because you are ignorant, or maybe you are one of those who are actually lying to Biafrans, pretending that you are decent, you are honest, you are innocent. All those things, it is very, very open to us. We are not here to say what you are saying to make anybody happy, but to say the record straight. I want this platform to be known for truthfulness. Even though some of you may come out, oh, you are lying. Of course, you will say that because what I'm saying is against what you are representing. So I expect you to fight it. I'm not moved by that, as long as I know what I'm saying. The video that I just played, or what the video is all about, is to expose the lies against US. Not because she paid me, she told me to go. No, But I love it when truth is being, preached, because that is the only thing that will set you free. If you think that is not going to set you free now, maybe tomorrow may be your turn. If anybody decide to do what you are doing now against you tomorrow, don't complain, because you are a supporter of evil. You pretend that the lies is the best way to go. That's the only thing you need to do. No, stand on the truth, and it shall set you free. Everything, the video, the pictures that I just shared to you now, you don't need to question that, because that is obvious. That is truth. Ask yourself, why is it that I refuse to read the post of Royce and Eunice that shared with you on this video? You can see I just flash it. I did not deliberate on the write up on those, because I see it as irrelevant, because I know it's a waste of time. So when we compare them with US, some of you don't understand the reason. They claim that everything that COS does is fake, that she's this, she's that, she's this. When COS would travel to South Korea, okay, for a meeting to represent Biafrans, many of them from the US camp then claimed that that video was photoshopped, that there is fake, is this, is deep video, and whatever they call that.
Welcome to the 9th anniversary of the World Peace Summit. We are the South Banks of Intel. We'll be here to assist you during your stay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, it's our pleasure.
So excited. Wow.
Besides your protocols helping you get your repeat, we'll explain a special event that we're doing for all of our participants. So we're asking for our participants to help create a beautiful peace sculpture.
Okay.
So we'll have you write your country, your name, followed by your signature. Here on the breath. Country first. Welcome to Korea. Your name, ma'am? Followed by your signature. You can put it in the middle. Thank you very much.
And this is the VIP for you.
I hope you like it. Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure. So have a pleasant rest. We'll be here to assist you during your stay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. All right.
It's a doctored video, rather. The same thing that they are now saying, people from Nkere camp are not saying now that she's this, she's that, she's lies, she's this. This kind of thing is the reason why when we said that we have been here, believe it or not, we actually have been here. We understand the whole thing. We follow it step by step. So don't get it twisted. The video you are watching now is US in North Korea. In South Korea, not North Korea. In South Korea. And the US criticized that video, this meeting, claiming that it doesn't carry any weight, is this, is that. Do you know that people from Nkere camp in their meetings, where there's in airspace, where they are having some gathering in Twitter, they said that her presence in traveling to North Korea, South Korea, is irrelevant, is trying to criticize that job just to belittle her. But when PM was here, they were all celebrating the meeting. Oh, it's nice. Oh, our Biafran is here. This and that. Now that meeting has become something they are mocking. So we know all those things, and we foresee that. So don't think that we are saying it because of anything. Everything that you watch on you have seen on this video is nothing but the truth. So please take the opportunity and like the video, click on the like button, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new. God bless you and see you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.